So good morning everyone, we are on Sector C, lower Sector C, and we're just across from the golf course, and just here we have a lovely Fortuna style villa to show you. It's got lots of potential. We are near the port of Matheron where there's lots of beaches. It's about a 20-minute drive, and it's about a 30-minute drive to Covera Airport as well. So let's go inside. We've off-road parking here, as you can see. Lovely garden. The sun is shining. Beautiful day here. Just show you around the garden. Really nice. So as you can see, there is lovely balustrade there, very decorative, with a fabulous terrace, the full length of the villa. So you could sit out there and have some outside dining. Got a nice table and chairs there. Just here you've got a few little steps up to the property. There's about 5. So let's go up here. Now as you can see, it's quite a long terrace. You've got a table and chairs there, and it's lovely quiet residential road. Really nice, and it's walking distance to the golf course for your entertainment, your recovery on a Sunday, or a meal and entertainment any day during the week in the summer time. They do have entertainment, of course, in the winter as well. So just here, as you can see, you've got records and blackout blinds on the windows, those lovely Spanish tiles all around. Let me take you inside. Now, good solid Spanish door here. If you just heard that, that was the cuckoo clock just gone off as I came in. So you have got just here a feature fireplace there. It's a log burner, and just above there you've got aircon, and you've got ceiling light and fan. Okay, now I'm going to pan around for you guys, and as you can see, it's a nice large living space. You've got radiators here, they're electric as well on the walls. It's the archway to the dining room there. But I'm going through the other archway first. I'm going to show you the 2 bedrooms and the family bathroom. So let's go in here. I'll show you the 2nd bedroom first. So just in here. So just in here is your 2nd bedroom. It's got plenty of storage, as you can see. Integrated overhead storage and double wardrobe. We've also got ceiling light and fan. Keeps you nice and cool in the summer. You've got insect screens, records and blackout blinds on the windows. Just pan around to give you another angle of the room, just to let you see. You can fit a double-sized bed in here, as you can see, and you can also fit 2 singles. All right, so I'm going to go in to the family bathroom now, just to show you that one. So sorry if I got myself in the mirror there. So in the family bathroom, we've got a nice vanity unit with a mirror above. You've got a WC, and you've got this fabulous double shower. Look at that. Really nice from wall to wall. You've got a rain head shower in there and spotlights overhead, and we have electric towel heater. I'm just going to pan around. You've got a frosted glass window. So there's the mirror over the vanity unit with the lights and the shelf. We've also got your shaving socket there as well. Just going to shut the door for a minute. And just above the door, you have got a little heater there as well for the winter. Okay. So now let me walk over to the master bedroom. In the master bedroom, of course, you've got aircon, ceiling light and fan. You've got records and blackout blinds on the windows and insect screens. You've got sockets and switches on either side of the bed, really handy for your lamps. And just there you have your integrated wardrobe with your overhead storage. So I'll go to the other end of the room just to pan around and give you a feel for the size of the room. So it's quite a large room. Okay, so let's go in and around. So just here you have got an archway into the dining area. So in the dining area you have lovely patio doors out onto a lovely terrace. It's a sun terrace. The sun hits that garden all day. Really lovely. Got some shelving there. You got another electric wall heater just there. And in here is your kitchen. Okay. So plenty of top and base units, electric oven, gas hob, fridge freezer, dishwasher, and your sink and drainer. All right. And that is just off the dining area here. So let me take you outside. We'll have a look out here. Now, this house does not have a pool, but there is room for a pool. So you could put your own stamp on this property if you want and have your own pool designed for you. So just here is your terrace. It's really long, nice terrace. So you could quite enjoy your breakfast out here in the morning. And of course, in the storage there's a washing machine, which is in use at the moment. And you've got your stairs up to your rooftop solarium. Just here is your garden area. And there is room for a pool there. Okay. So let me take you up to the rooftop solarium and we'll have a look. I'm just going to show you inside the storage shed. Just has the washing machine and it's working at the moment. And of course you got your gas boiler there as well. Okay. It's a lovely sunny day here, as always. See you at the top, guys. So just here is the rooftop solarium. It overlooks the countryside and of course the golf course and hotel is just over there. Really nice and large. So I'll just take you downstairs. You can see the plot here and you can easily put a pool in there. Next door have. And you could easily fit a pool in there. So I'm going down the stairs into the garden itself. You've got high walls for privacy here. Just around there is an underbuilt for storage. It's not used, so it's just unused basically. So this is garden. It's quite big, so you could put a lovely pool in here, you know. So just giving you an idea of the property. So you have a shed there with 2 doors. It's just storage, but I will show it to you. You could put an outside toilet and shower in here if you wanted. So it's a long room and there's the other door just around there. Okay, but if you were putting a pool in, that would be a great idea to have an outside toilet and sink maybe. Okay. So, and this is around to the side of the property. So if you're interested in this lovely villa, do contact info@tolettoseltobuy.com, and I see you guys in the next video. Okay, so have an amazing day. I'll see you again.